Okay, this new feature, Omni Reference, which allows you to basically just drag in a image of yourself into this Omni Reference feature and then choose the control, is a game changer when it comes to personal branding. And I'm going to show you why, because you can actually create these images and then animate them like me, rolling back in this cool like car I made up, or just you can see me cruising down the highway right here, laughing in the car, branded to me. And then look at this one. Look at the control. It's just an image that I created with one reference image to create this image. And then I animated it in Kling. And look at the hands, look at the face movement. So, like personal branding, this is a game changer. And I think it's so important in AI right now to have a personal brand. Like, here is me holding some coffee. I mean, it's incredible. Watch the coffee shake in the cup, you know? And then Heijin just comes out with this new feature that allows you to animate. This is from an image, which is truly incredible. I mean, it's like it's unbelievable. I'm the AI surfer. I went from 0 to 1 million followers using AI for every decision until I lost my purpose. AI got better at what I loved, designing and building software. I faced an existential crisis I believe everyone will experience. So I created the 90-10 framework. AI handles 90% of the grind, freeing us to focus on the 10% that makes us human: style, taste, and perspective. So while leveraging this new Omni feature in Midjourney, I've been able to create some like really incredible images of myself as the personal brand. As you can see, like I love this one. This one's one of my favorites. It's like the opposite of actually me. I wear black all the time, but this avatar is very colorful. And it's so easy. And I'm going to show you how to do that right now. And honestly, this is the easiest way to do it. If you go to the Explore tab, start by just typing up like, I love doing retro, men's fashion, shoot, anything you want, right? And then just find something that looks cool to you. For instance, like this picture, this guy's chilling. So what I would do is I'm just gonna put the prompt in by clicking on it, and now I'm just gonna manipulate this to make it me. So a full body shot of a stylish, um, young man wearing trendy clothes. So let's do like trendy, um, retro colored, bright clothes, and a uh, uh, let's do like a uh, trendy uh, sweater with paint splashed on it, holding camera in hand, standing on. Let's do, instead of blue, let's do like a uh, let's do turquoise background. And then I'm just going to submit it. And I found keeping it around 500 for me works. And I'll actually share something even crazier at the end of this, but let's submit this now to get hopefully me now in this image. So there we go. Now we have the version of me in this image. And it's so easy just to throw these into Kling AI. And here's a quick tidbit of a trick. So if you upload an image, like we'll just upload this one again. When you upload this image, what it's going to do is actually going to throw it into this DeepSeek model. And this is incredible because you can see it's analyzing the picture. So it's all about prompting at this point, right? So then you would just say, hey, you're a Kling AI expert. Help me generate an idea based off what I'm going to provide you. And I would just do that right here. You're a Kling AI image to video expert. And then I would go on to say, I'm going to give you an idea and you're going to help me expand upon that. And that has helped me generate like seriously first try editions of great examples that I can use for our content. So here's what I think about personal branding in this AI age. there's a lot of faceless YouTube accounts, but if you click on the AI surfer, it's my face, right? And yes, this is a clone, which is so crazy. I've been doing this like for over a year and a half now, which is wild. But it's my face. So I think that it's still really important because it's still personal brand. I can now get on a story, right? And it's my face, even though I'm leveraging AI for 90% of the rest. That 10% where I get on, I can speak to everybody and I can relate because it's still my personal brand. Or, I do these talks where I get up and speak and it relates because again, it's my personal brand. I'm just using AI to create the images, to create the videos, to create like literally me online, which is insane. And, we have to be one of the biggest AI influencers out there by now. But it's just this really cool ability to now just use one reference image, literally one reference image right here to create these images. And here's the mind-blowing part is this image is AI. I'm to the point now where I'm using my reference image is an AI image to create other AI images. So it's just getting so crazy.